Hi, I'm Jun-Jun Corciega, a student of Negros Oriental State University, Pamplona, taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, a first-year student. For today's video, I'm going to tackle about these following topics: structure of an atom, matter and its classification, chemical bonding, and chemical reaction. Structure of an atom. An atom consists of a central nucleus that is usually surrounded by one or more electrons. Each electron is negatively charged. The nucleus is positively charged and contains one or more relatively heavy particles known as protons and neutrons. What are the parts of an atom? Atoms are made up of three basic components known as subatomic particles, consisting of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons positively charged. A proton is a subatomic particle found in the nucleus of every atom. The particle has a positive electrical charge equal and opposite to the electron. Neutrons no charge. A neutron is a neutrally charged subatomic particle found in the nucleus of all atoms except hydrogen. A neutron has a mass of slightly more than a proton. Electrons negatively charged are the subatomic particles that orbit the nucleus of an atom. They are negative in charge and are much smaller than protons or neutrons. These are parts of the atom. The atomic structure of these building blocks is very interesting. The protons and neutrons are located in the center of the atom, while the electrons are quite far from the center. Matter and its classification. What is matter? A matter is composed of tiny particles. Anything that has mass and takes up space is called matter. Example of matter: an apple, a person, a table, air, water, a computer, paper, iron. These are examples of matter. Matter can exist in three forms or pieces: solid, liquid, or gases. Example of solid: rock, liquid, water, gas, air. A substance is defined as matter which is homogeneous and of which all parts are alike. A substance are either elements or compounds. Elements are pure substances which cannot be decomposed into similar substances by chemical means. Some familiar elements are oxygen, gold, sulfur, and iron. Compounds are pure substances that are composed of two or more substances such as water, salt, and sugar. Simple example of compounds. On the other hand, wood or piece of marble are not homogeneous and therefore not pure substances or compounds. They are called mixtures. Mixtures are defined as matter which consists of two or more substances mixed together. A mixture can be either homogeneous or heterogeneous, and a heterogeneous mixture. Several different components can be detected with the unaided eye. Marble is not homogeneous. You can see different colored components. However, salt dissolved in water produce a perfectly homogeneous mixture. Chemical bonding and chemical reaction. According to Wikipedia, chemical bond is a lasting attraction between atoms, ions, or molecules that enable the formation of chemical compound. The bond may result from the electrostatic force between oppositely charged ions in ionic bond or through the sharing of electrons as in covalent bond. Chemical reaction. Chemical reaction occur when chemical bonds between atoms are formed or broken. The substances that go into a chemical reaction are called the reactants, and the substances produced at the end of the reaction are known as the products. Chemical reactions are a result of bonding changes. During a chemical reaction, the atoms bonded together in the beginning rearranged in new ways. The result is different chemical and times a release of energy. That's it for today. Hope you'll enjoy my video. Again, this is Jun-Jun Corciega. Thank you and God bless.